In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the vlookup function in Excel within just 5 minutes. This feature is incredibly useful for finding specific information in large datasets, a skill that will definitely boost your efficiency whether you're dealing with personal projects or handling professional tasks. To begin with, it's essential that we have access to Microsoft Excel. Nowadays, Microsoft offers an incredibly convenient online version, which is part of the free Microsoft 365 online suite, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. You no longer need to download heavy software. You can simply use Excel right from your web browser. First off, navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online page. You'll find this with a simple search or by following the link provided. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on this. It's key to have your Microsoft account ready. If you don't have one, not to worry. Creating one is straightforward and free. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to type in your email, enter the email associated with your Microsoft account, then press next. Follow any additional instructions to complete your sign in, usually involving entering your password and possibly completing a two-factor authentication step if you have that set up. Now that you're signed in, let's get down to business with Excel. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using an example Excel file, but the process we'll go through will be applicable to your own data as well. Once you've opened Excel, whether it be your own file or an example, it's time to engage with the data using vlookup. Find an empty cell where you want to display the information found by vlookup. This is where you'll type your formula. In Excel, formulas always begin with an equal sign, so start there. Type equal sign vlookup into the cell. As you start typing, Excel is pretty helpful. It will suggest functions that match what you're typing. Once you see vlookup appear, click on it or press enter. This function requires 4 pieces of information to work: the lookup value, the range where the lookup value is to be found, the column number in the range containing the return value, and finally an indicator of whether you want an exact or approximate match. For this demonstration, let's use a simple formula. Equal sign vlookup, A4, A1, B5, 1, false. This formula is telling Excel to look for the value in cell A4 within the range, A1 to B5. We're asking it to return the value from the first column in the range when it finds an exact match, which is indicated by false at the end of our formula. The power of vlookup lies in its versatility and simplicity for performing lookups within your data. It's primarily used when you need to find data in a table or a range by row. In our example, we specified the range as A1 to B5, which can of course be adjusted to suit your data's needs. Additionally, remember that vlookup will search for a matching value in the first column of your specified range, and then return a value from a column you specify in the same row. Also, consider the importance of the last parameter. Using false asks Excel to find an exact match, while true would tell it to approximate. In most cases, especially with specific identifiers like names or IDs, you'll want to stick with false for exactness. A crucial tip for working efficiently with vlookup is ensuring your data is well organized, with the lookup column to the left of the data you intend to find. As you embark on becoming more familiar with Excel's vlookup function, you'll find it becoming second nature, greatly speeding up your data processing tasks, improving accuracy, and most importantly, saving you valuable time. In wrapping up this session, remember, practice makes perfect. Try applying this function to different datasets to fully grasp its utility and adaptability. Excel is a potent tool, and vlookup is just one of the many functions it offers to manipulate and analyze data efficiently. Thanks for joining this quick tutorial. With the steps we've covered today, you're well on your way to mastering one of the most useful functions in Excel. Keep exploring, and soon you'll be leveraging Excel's full potential to make your data work for you in ways you've never imagined before.